video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Notion. If you want to make your Notion page more visual and interactive, embedding a YouTube video is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially useful if you're building notes, tutorials, project pages, training materials, or even a personal dashboard and you want the video to appear directly inside the page instead of just showing a plain link. The process is very quick. And once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few moments. First, go to YouTube and open the video you want to embed into your Notion page. Once the video is open, click the Share button. This will give you the direct link for that video. Copy the URL carefully, because this is the link you'll paste into Notion in the next step. Make sure you are copying the correct video link so the right content appears on your page. Next, switch over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want the video to appear. Think about where you want the video placed so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. On a new line in the page, you can either click the plus icon that appears on the left side of the line, or simply type /embed or /video. Both options help you access the block menu and get to the tool you need. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, typing the / command is often the fastest method. When the block menu appears, choose either video or embed. Notion may show these options slightly differently depending on your setup, but either one will allow you to insert the YouTube link. After selecting it, a pop-up window will appear asking for the URL. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into that field. This tells Notion exactly what video to display inside the page. To finish, click Embed Link or Embed Video. Depending on the option shown on your screen, Notion will then place the video directly onto the page so it can be viewed without leaving your workspace. If needed, you can usually resize or reposition the embedded video afterward to better match your layout. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video on Notion. Once you get used to it, this becomes an easy way to make your pages more organized, more helpful, and much more engaging to look at.